We're down at the pond. This is the ditch I did the other day when it was dry. You can see that ditch there. I'll show it to you better, but it turned out pretty good. This one I had to do in the morning when it started raining. It's a little rough, but anyway, I got the ditch in though anyway. So the main thing is this water coming down the hill stays in the ditch, because once we have a spot where it goes over, and then it just runs and it washes out the road and it washes out our landscape. So anyway, it worked. As long as we don't get 10 inches in one day, and even then, if we get it cleaned out a little bit as time goes on. But it did work for what we needed, and you can see the water was running in there. And then this one runs all the way down, and it runs into this culvert. It goes over in there and comes out into the pond. So that's good. That worked out good. See, it runs right over here, and then it goes in the culvert under the road. And I better clean this out. The big rock covering our culvert. That's not good. Anyway, so that worked. Like I say, it looks a little rough because I had to do it in the rain, but that's okay. And this road is really soft. We can't drive around here. We can't bring the Ranger or the mule down here. I mean, that's as far as we go right there. Turn around and go back up. Because all summer this turns into real dust. And all the work we've been doing on the pond, a good 6 inches of powder on top, and so it just turns into a mud hole. Once it rains a few good storms in a couple months, this will pack in good. And then when we get a little dry weather, it'll be fine. But in this ditch, you can see I got it in. Catches the water coming off that hill there on the other side, and right here. And this is the one we have trouble. It runs over. If anything gets in the way, it runs over, and then it washes out the road and makes a big mess. But this one's working too. I think I got it deep enough. And the little bit that falls on the road just sheets over to the pond, and that's fine. But I'm sure you're familiar with this, but anyway, the one up there comes down to here, and this one comes to here, and goes under the road, out that culvert, and into the pond. So we're good. I'm going to walk over and look at the block 6, see how that's doing. I doubt we got a lot of runoff over there, but I'm not sure. We'll see. But I'm sure it's fine. We only got 1.5 inches of rain, so anyway, stay ahead of it.